What's up, guys? I am going to do a modification on my F82 that I've been wanting to do ever since I got the car. I just haven't come across a nice pair. So I'll be doing the OEM Ikon headlights on this car, which came on the LCI model. I know they're making reps, V1s, V2s, but I just couldn't pull the trigger on them. I mean, I pay attention to detail a lot. So right off the bat, I could notice, and I know if I ended up doing that, that was gonna bother me at one point. So I was able to source some OEM Ikons. They are expensive, but in my opinion, it changes the look of the car a lot, and makes it look better. So for those that don't know what the car currently looks like, these are the adaptive pre-LCI. They really don't look that bad. At night they look really nice, but I feel like the Ikons definitely will update the look of the car and will go well. All right, so we got the headlights installed. It definitely changed the look, the way the car looks. Gives it that OEM plus look. OEM Ikons. See the B&W adaptive. Pretty satisfied with them. Definitely gave the car like a facelift. But yeah, would definitely recommend if you have an F8X. These are the OEM ones, which are obviously more than the reps. I've heard the V2s are better than the Gen 1s. But yeah. So for the installation, it was just pretty much plug and play, and then we just had to get them coated in, and yeah, there they are.